Hello learners, this is Yashas. I'll be the instructor for your Arduino programming course. In the previous episode, we have learned how to use the Arduino IDE. In this episode, I'll be introducing a very powerful tool which will help you out to run and simulate the Arduino as of you're working in real. For that, just open your browser. I'll be using Chrome and just type in Tinkercad in your web browser and go to the first website that can be seen the top, and it will land to the page, and I'll teach you how to create an account and everything you need to get started with this Autodesk Tinkercad, which is the best simulator that is available on the online market. And go to join now. It will ask for educators to start your students, join a class, and on your own create a personal account. Just tap in to create a personal account, and I better suggest you sign in with Google. It's better because I have already created my account, and I'll just sign in with Google, and you will do the same whenever you try with your own computer. Sign in with Google, wait for a moment, and it will land to a page. And account has been created. So whenever you want to work with the Arduino boards, this is how the page looks like. Go to like below your profile there is something called circuits. Go to circuits, and if you want to create new circuits, and you can tap into create new circuit, or else if you want to work with the ready-made circuits available here where someone others have been created. Now go to create new circuit, and this is the best online simulator that's available in the present market. I suggest you to use this, assuming that you all don't have the Arduino boards with you. If you have your own board, you can work with it, or else if you can work with the simulator, this is the best one, and this works as if you're working in the real. And for searching the component, just type in Arduino. You'll get the board, and drag and drop to the main working area. Just zoom in, zoom out, and I want something called LED. I'll get this LED here, and I'll connect the anode to. No, don't worry about why I'm connecting all these things. Just I'm explaining you how this thing works. And connect it to, and the anode. Wait, I did a mistake. I should connect this cathode to ground. And connect any of the digital pins to the anode. Just see that I've connected an LED. Now I'll write the code for this. By default it is using blocks. You can use this as a beginner. Right now I'll be making use of the text where I'll be writing my own code. I'll delete everything. As I've told in the previous episode, void setup and void loop. These are the two must written functions. Without this, the Arduino will throw some error, because this is mandatory. This is called bare minimum function for Arduino. I'll explain what is this void and what is this setup, everything in the upcoming episodes. As of now, I'll be just explaining how to use the simulator, everything, all those stuffs. For that I'll be using pin mode. Don't worry about the code, I'll teach you everything in the soon lectures. And pin mode, I've connected it to pin 2, so 2 output. and in the loop we have to get the looping, so digital write. Digital write 2 comma high. Just I'll copy everything and paste it below. In this I'll write delay of 500 or 1000. 1000 means it is in milliseconds, so it will get a delay of 1 second. Delay of 1000 milliseconds, so which means 1 second. And now I'll simulate. It seems everything is fine, so I'll simulate now. So the LED starts blinking. See. Okay, sorry. Have to write low here. Stop simulation and low. Now this is gonna work fine. Look at this. The LED is turning on and off every 1 second. This is how you can make use of this online simulator if you don't have an Arduino of your own. Oh, that's it. Thank you. I will meet in the next episode.